Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to review this facial kit by Lotus Herbals, and this is their Radiant Gold Cellular Glow Facial Kit, and it says that it is made with 100% 24K gold. So this is the facial kit by Lotus Herbals. The price of this facial kit is 265 rupees, I think. Yes, 265 rupees. And what I do, I always do my facial at home. I hardly ever got it done in my life by someone else. There are really some marvelous home facial kits that you can do, and you really get good value for money in these facial kits. So first, see what we get in this pack and how to do the facial at home by yourself, and then I'm going to review how did I like this one. So this is the packaging that it comes in, and this is a Lotus Herbals Radiant Gold. That's why the packaging also matches with the name, and also it says that guaranteed 100% 24K gold. Cellular Glow Facial Kit for all skin types, and it also says revitalizing effect for a great skin glow. I'm guessing it will work for more than one time, because all of them which I use, even if they are for one time use, they actually are for 1, 2 or 3 times use. So this is how it is. First step that you have to use is the cleansing scrub, and the second one is activator, third one is massage cream, and the last one is the mask. So seen what comes inside this pack, and how it looks and how to go about using all these products that comes inside this. So first of all, it is very easy. It comes with only 4 products, which is scrub, activator, cream, and also gold mask. So it is a 4-step facial, and I like it because it's very simple. It's not very complicated. Some of them give you a lot of things to do it, so in that sense this is good. But when it comes to their scrub and the cream, I really did not like the texture of it. The texture of the cream was that it won't get absorbed in your skin at all, and I knew the moment that I was doing the facial that I'm going to get pimples from this cream, because the texture was like that it is going to give you breakouts, and because of that I did get breakout. I have one here and I have one bad one here. So right away I know some of the creams, that's why I do not like those creams which don't get absorbed in your skin, and it was like a very bad texture of cream and the scrub, so I really did hated it. The only thing that I like is the activator. Mask was also not that good. So if I compare it to other facial kits, I did not even like the effect that it gave. I don't even think that it gave any effect on my face. The only effect I think what I got was if I could have used anything to do massage on my face, because massage will give you that effect because of the blood circulation. It improves that. So the effect that I could see it was just because of that. So in my view, this facial kit by Lotus Herbals, which is the Radiant Gold facial kit, is just not the good facial kit. Not even the best, I can say ki it is not the best, it is not a good facial kit. And if you guys have to use it, please, in my opinion, I will never be buying this facial kit. I loved other ones. There are some very very marvelous gold facial kits that you can do at home, and you get very good results by doing that. I think, in my opinion, this will be the first product that I really hated. So that's all for the review of this Lotus Herbals Radiant Gold Facial Kit, and I hope you guys will like it. It will help you to make the decision if you were looking to buy any facial kits. And I have some good ones that I've used, and I'm going to compare it with this one in some other videos. So that's all for this video, and please guys, please do share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.